Assalamu alaikum, this is Hamna Khalid from Ocean of Knowledge. Today I will tell you about WH family in detail. The description of tenses cannot be completed without the discussion of WH family. First I tell you the definition of WH family. In English grammar, WH word is one of the function words that are used to begin WH questions. They can appear both in direct and indirect questions, and they are used to begin WH classes. WH words are also used when we want to ask certain type of questions, and they are referred to WH words because they include the words W and H. WH words are placed in the start of every interrogative sentence, and when we want the response in yes or no, we use only simple interrogative sentence. But when we want the proper response in words not in yes or no, then we use WH family words. These words have been given below. These are what, where, why, when, whom, whose, how, which and how. These are total 9. Now we move towards the function of WH words and their uses. Now these are the words of WH family and their function with examples. First word is what. What is the use of word? It is used for asking information about something. That example is, what is your name? And it is also used, what is also used for repetition or confirmation for anything. When the thing is not confirmed, or the voice that reach to you that you are not confirmed, what did he say, what is the meaning, what is the purpose of saying the other person, then you say, what, I can't hear you, and you also say, you did what. And other word is what for. It is the word is what, but it is used for. What for? Asking for a reason or asking why. And the example is, what did you do that? What did you do that for? And the other word is when. Asking about time. When we want to know that the person who left or the person who did any work in which time, then we use the word when. When did he leave? And the other word is where. It is used asking in or at what place or position. When we want to confirm, when we want to know the person where he lives, where is the place where the person is living, then we use where. Where do they live? Now we move towards the other words of WH family. Now here are other words from WH family. Here is which is used asking about choice. When we want to know the choice of some person, we use the word which. Which color do you want? Which dish do you like? Which dress you want to wear? And the other word is who. Who is used asking what or which person or people. It is concerned with subject. Who opened the door? Who knocks at the door? Who brought you here? And the other word is whom. It is used asking what or which person or people, but it is concerned with object. Whom did you see? Whom did you call? And the other is whose. Whose is used asking about ownership. When we don't know the owner of anything, we use the word whose to know the owner of that thing. The example is, whose are these keys? Whose turn is this? And the other word is why. Why is used asking for a reason, asking what for. When we want to know the reason of something, we use the word why. Why do you say that? What was the reason? Why did you say that? And the other word is why don't. It is used making a suggestion. When we want to give some suggestion to any person, we use why don't. Why don't I help you? Now we move towards the other remaining words of WH family. Here are other words from WH family with their function and example. Here is how is used for asking about manner, and the example of it is that how does this work, and the other example of how is that it, and the other function is that of how asking about quality or condition. When we want to know the quality or condition of something, we use how, and the example is that how was your exam, and we can ask how was your trip. And the other how, it is used as adjective or adverb in place of adjective or adverb. For example, its function is how asking about extent or degree of something. When we want to know the degree or extent of something, we use how. How long will you hold it? And and there are so many examples concerning how, which we can fit according to the condition and situation. We can see where they can fit, where how it can fit. And the other is how far. How far can be used for distance. We can ask the question how far is Murree from Islamabad. And the other is how long. How long can be used for asking length or space of something. For example, how long will it take? How long the time you will take to do it. Now we move towards the rest of the words of WH family words, that are last one. Here are other types of how with their function and examples. The word is how many. How many is used for quantity. When the things are countable, we use how many. For example, the example is how many cars are there. And the other word is how much. When the things which are not countable, we use the word how much. The example is how much money do you have. We can use for here, for rice, the things which we cannot count, we use how much. And the other word is how old. How old, usually we use how old when we ask for something about that person's age. The example is how old are you. And the last one is how come. It is informal. It is used for asking reason or for asking why, what happened this. Then we use the word how come, but it is informal. And the example is how come I can't see her. Okay, the lecture is over. I think all the words of WH family are now clear to you. See you in the next lecture. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.